In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable floating video in Brave browser. If you want to keep watching a video while doing other things on your computer, Brave makes this pretty easy. Floating video, also called picture-in-picture, lets your video stay visible in a small movable window, so you can browse, work, or switch tabs without losing sight of what you are watching. I will walk you through two simple ways to do it in Brave. First with the built-in controls and then with an extension. Let's start with the built-in method. Open Brave and play any video on a site like YouTube. Once the video is playing, move your cursor directly over the video itself and right-click one time. On some websites, that first right-click opens the site's own menu instead of the browser option you need. So don't worry if you don't see picture-in-picture yet. Now right-click a second time in the exact same spot on the video. This is the important part because the second click usually opens Brave's hidden browser context menu. In that menu, look for the option called Picture-in-Picture and click it. As soon as you do, the video will pop out into a small floating window on your screen. Now you will see the picture-in-picture version of your video. You can move that floating window wherever it's most convenient, and usually you can also resize it a bit depending on your system. This is a great option if you want to keep a tutorial, music video, or live stream visible while using other tabs or apps. If the built-in option doesn't appear on a particular website, or if you just prefer a one-click method, you can also use an extension. In Brave, click the three horizontal lines, then select Extensions, and then choose Web Store. Once you are in the store, click in the search bar and search for the official Picture-in-Picture extension by Google. When you find it, click Add to Brave. Then confirm by clicking Add Extension to install it. After the installation finishes, go back to any video page and start playing a video. Then click the extension icon in your toolbar whenever a video is playing, and it will float the video for you in a picture-in-picture window. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.